everyone, welcome to EduUdr. I'm Sowhardh Honnappa, a senior AI researcher by profession with over 7 years of experience in data science in the United States and India. In this video, we will walk through step-by-step approach on how to become a data scientist. Before we get started, let's take a quick pause and understand life in general. Life is too short to not be listening to your own heart. Always do what you want to do and respect your inner voice. Don't get into data science only lured by salary or respect in the society. Become a data scientist only if you want to change the world with technology. If you have a strong will to succeed and thrive in data science, you will end up as a unicorn data scientist, and nobody can really stop it. So let's get started with these 8 basic steps. Learn the basic concepts of statistics such as linear algebra, probability, and so on. Read documentation of Python packages to understand the inbuilt functions. Check out data manipulation packages such as NumPy, Pandas. These are most popular data manipulation packages in Python. Learn about basic Python programming concepts such as loops, writing functions, data structures, and so on. You can also refer a beginner Python book such as Learning with Python. Let's move on to the next step. Understand the basic concepts of exploratory data analysis or data manipulation using SQL. Learn about statistical hypothesis tests such as p-value, t-test, z-test, and so on. Learn about data visualization tools such as Tableau, ClickView, Spotfire, and also JavaScript libraries such as d3.js. Getting an SQL certification is not a must, but it is suggested. And Microsoft is preferably one of the best SQL certifications out there. And start solving coding questions in Python and SQL on different sites such as LeetCode, DataCamp, and so on. This will help you evaluate basic concepts of SQL and Python and prepare you for the interview. Moving on to the next step. Understand basics of machine learning. Like you have to learn about supervised, semi-supervised, and unsupervised algorithms. Study and understand the math behind each and every of these machine learning algorithms. This will definitely put you in the cream or top 10% of data scientists out there. And stop cribbing about how difficult mathematics is and dive in to learn. Anybody can blindly use Python packages and learn to implement algorithms, but basically understanding the math behind every algorithm will help you smoke most of the competition out there. Learn about building a machine learning pipeline end to end. This will help you productionalizing your models. Start downloading and using tools such as Jupyter Notebook, PyCharm, RStudio, and learn about using GitHub and so on. Moving on to the next step. Learn about trees and other sophisticated machine learning algorithms such as random forest, decision trees, boosting algorithms such as XGBoost. As a matter of fact, XGBoost has been winning 90% of all data science hackathons and competitions across the world. Understand about ensemble learning approaches such as stacking, bagging, and boosting. You can download a small dataset from data.gov or UCI machine learning repository and start building basic machine learning models for regression and classification. You have to learn about model fine tuning, like hyperparameter tuning, backward elimination to get rid of unwanted features in your training set, different validation techniques such as k-fold cross validation to make sure your model is accurate enough and the model is not overfit or underfit. In step 5, learn about different model performance evaluation metrics. Some of the performance evaluation metrics for regression and classification algorithms are AUC, ROC, model accuracy, precision, recall, and so on. It is extremely important to learn about transformation of features or scaling of features, when building a machine learning model through techniques such as binning, discretization, or standardization through scaling, and so on. Moving on to the next step, learn about basics of neural networks and deep learning. Understand the math behind all the deep learning algorithms such as convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, long short-term memory, which is popularly referred as LSTM, autoencoders, and so on. Learn about multiple optimization techniques such as momentum, RMS drop, optimizers, and so on. It is extremely important to learn and understand about activation functions. How do they work? What are the different types of activation functions? What is the difference between ReLU, sigmoid, tanh, when to use a particular activation function, and so on. In the next step, understand the basics of computer vision and natural language processing. To get started with computer vision, start off with image processing techniques. And I highly recommend learning OpenCV for computer vision. It has a lot of packages which you can use to develop computer vision projects. And some of the audio signal analysis projects also fall under NLP, which you can implement using techniques such as Fourier transforms, discrete Fourier transforms, and so on. And start working on computer vision projects at this point. Like, start building one or two projects on face recognition, face detection, object detection, and so on. In terms of natural language processing techniques, understand and learn about topic modeling or latent direct allocation, semantic analysis, word embeddings, text condensation through algorithms like rake, rapid automatic keyword extraction, using libraries such as gensim, spaCy, which are popular for NLP techniques. Also, learn about audio analysis. This is one of the popular segments of natural language processing. There is a package called PyAudio, which is really good for audio analysis in Python. The last step is building a strong LinkedIn profile. Having a strong online presence helps you, get a feel of the ongoing processes, and people can easily identify you with your developments and updates, which will help you stay current and relevant, in the society in terms of data science. Subscribe to top AI newsletters in the world. I have attached a link for my Medium blog in the description. Feel free to go through it. Subscribing to newsletters will basically help you receive weekly newsletters from top companies such as Google Research, MIT Tech Review, companies like OpenAI, which are doing groundbreaking research on artificial intelligence, and so on. So these were 8 detailed steps on becoming a data scientist. You have free public datasets through websites like data.gov, UCI repository, or multiple free public datasets. I have also attached a link for another blog of mine containing top 100 public datasets which are free to download. You have the data, you have GPUs and TPUs provided by Google Colab for free. All that's stopping you is you, my friend. Dive in the ocean and learn swimming. That's how you learn data science. In the next video, I'll be explaining about different classification algorithms. If you like the video, feel free to subscribe and like, and also comment your understanding and the different concepts of data science which you want to learn or know about in the upcoming videos. Thank you, everyone. See you in the next video.